Why do 90% of cats land on their feet? The answer will surprise you. So, do cats always land on their feet? Well, almost always. Cats have a built-in survival mechanism called the righting reflex. This is like their own personal gymnastics routine. When they fall, they twist their flexible spine mid-air and use their tail to balance. It's basically feline magic. But, fun fact, if a cat falls from a really low height, they might not have enough time to flip. And while they're pretty good at sticking the landing, they're not invincible. Tall heights can still be dangerous. So next time you see your kitty do a daredevil jump, remember, they're little acrobats, not superheroes. But hey, they do get pretty close. Keep loving those furry gymnasts and give them lots of safe spaces to land. See you in the next video, cat lovers.